Hello guys. I'm going to do this quick tutorial on how to get free sound on Capcut that you can use for your videos. So now what you're going to do is I'm going to go to Capcut now. Click on new project. Let me use a video. Okay, like this video now. This is a song. Because this song now is copyrighted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on mute clip. Mute clip audio. So as you can see, the voice is not playing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on audio. Then I'm going to click on sound. Then I'm going to search. So as you can see, this one now is free. It is written free. This one is written free, but this one is not free. This one now is not free. But these ones that you see that are written free, you can use any of them on your video. You can use any of them and you will not have issue, because the Capcut or whoever that created that music have given you free liberty, freedom to use it in your video, and nobody is going to claim copyright. But you see those ones that is not written free, they are paid ones. You can use them all, but just know say if you get problem with your page. So let me just add this one now. Click on this plus. So now let's see how it goes. So somebody talked about adding content. Okay, let me say I want to add content on this thing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on text, add text. Something like this now. Then I can just change the style. I can just change the style. So Pablo and his bay. Then I'm going to do this, drag it. So let's play the video. So now I can easily save the video, export it, and make use of it, and I will not have problem with my Facebook with the video on Facebook. So this is how you can go about with your copyright copyright music. If there's another way one can get free copyrighted music, I'm going to do the video and send it to you guys.